In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change right-click menu Windows 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can revert to the Windows 10 right-click menu if you are on Windows 11. So, if you are using Windows 11, you might have noticed that Microsoft has a new right-click menu. When you right-click, there's going to be a bunch of new options, a different visual overlay, and then you have to right-click again or go over to show more options in order to actually see the old classic right-click menu. But there is a trick to revert back to the old one. As you can see here, every single time I right-click, it gives me the classic Windows 10 and older versions right-click context menu. So to do this, you need to use the registry editor. So in the search function, look for regedit or registry editor. And when you open it up, you should see a screen similar to this one. Now you have to go over to this location here, computer, HKey current user, software classes, CLSID, and then these bunch of numbers that we'll be creating. So when you first open it up, you will have all of these. Expand HKey underline current underscore user. Then go to software and expand it as well. Then look for CLSID. I recommend that you just type it out on your keyboard so it finds it right away. Now expand CLSID and check for this key here. Most likely you aren't going to have it. So if you don't have it, right click on CLSID, new and key, and then create a new key with this string of numbers and letters here. I'm going to try to paste it in the description or the comment section of this video. But if you have this string already copied or if you typed it out manually, you can go ahead and paste it as well. Now, once you have this key created, you right click this key and then you create a new key inside of it. So you will create a new one with this name, inproc server 32, exactly like this. Now restart your computer and the Windows 11 right-click menu will go away. You will see the old one that was available in older versions of Windows. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you revert to the Windows 10 right-click menu, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.